All right, we are in this Delkena church parking lot, and we got the memory card changed. We're good for 4 more hours. It's a pretty big church for the middle of nowhere. Wow.
Onto west side Kalispel Road.
They have a burn ban already.
Continue on Washington 20 west for 3 miles.
Alright, she's gonna try it. I don't know how long she'll keep doing that, but hopefully not for very long. She's gonna keep trying to reroute me. Eventually she'll let me take Highway 20, I hope. So I think Colville is fairly big. We might get diesel there, just to be safe. Yeah, RV or TV did this last year. I think I mentioned a while back, but he didn't film the whole thing. Back there. Oh, there's a bald eagle right there flying in front of us. 2 of them. I know the camera picked that up. That would be awesome. And a vulture. But the pond back there, there's so many cottonwood trees in there. The surface of it was covered in white cotton.
Take the next left onto Jarrett Road.
From the cottonwood seeds. I might need to stop this for now. I'm just gonna go to Colesville. She will not let me keep going straight. She wants to reroute me. Wow. They make newsprint paper here. It says Ponderay Newsprint Company. So they make big giant rolls of paper. Wow. It's a big factory. I wonder where people live. Must be a town coming up. This place is massive. Definitely need a break soon. Hopefully we can make it to Colville. If not, we'll stop sooner. I wonder where where 49 degrees north is. I wonder if it's the mountain I see ahead and to my left. The tall mountain. It's a long drive from Spokane. Well, probably an hour, hour and a half at least, yeah. I would say hour and a half, I bet. Of course, in Colorado, people drive that far. It just seems far. Oh, look at the little tiny houses right there. That is cool. Oh my gosh. I don't know if those are models for people to buy or if it's someone's living there. Cusick, 2 miles. Ione, or Lone, I don't know if that's an I or an L. I think it's an I. Ione was like 20 miles. So we might stop in Cusick maybe if there's cell service. Looks like there is. As long as there's a place to pull over. Could use a little break. See if I can get her to map me to Bridgeport the way I want to go. Next left. They showed RV trailer. So I wonder if they have camping there. Oh, they do. And there's hookups. Oh my gosh. Why can't I ever find these places at night? I mean, look at that. There's one. It's like 4 spots, 6 spots. Or at least 4. Of course, I don't know if it's only open during the fair. Oh, it said campground open. As I say, RV can use them anytime. Oh my gosh. And those are usually free because they want you to spend money in town. And if they do charge a fee, it's cheap, like $10. Oh, there's a rest area coming up on the right. I might check that out. Oh, it's busy if that's a rest area. Oh, there is a rest area there too. Oh, there's an actual campground there. Wow. Wow, that is neat. I actually want to stop here. This is really neat. Huh. So RV dump is $10. I wonder how much their campground fee is. That is really neat. Wow, this was huge, this place. So I think we're on a reservation. Yeah, this is way nice. I'm gonna have to go inside there. There's an actual market there. I think it's a store. casino. It's got everything in here. So I think we're gonna park right here. Actually, I don't want to park. I don't want to park into the sun. We're gonna park down over here. Right here. This is a super nice stop. Oh my gosh. And this is what I thought Montana had. Washington has some awesome places like this. I don't know why Montana doesn't have more. But we're going to take a bathroom break. I might go inside. I'm not really sure. Don't need to go inside. But we will be right back.